Let me show you how I make my party sticker favorite label bundle. It's going to include the chip bag wrapper. It's an 8.5 by 11. It's also going to include a welcome sign that is also 8.5 by 11. Then it's going to have our invitation that is going to be 5 by 7. Our juice pouch is going to be, let me go ahead. Juice pouch is going to be a 3.5 by 5. A round circle, I print them out as a 2-inch. Water bottle label is 2 by 8, and our gable box label is a 6.25 by 3.5. So I already have my starter images right here, my background, my top and bottom, and my elements or images right here. Our theme is going to be our SpongeBob. I did get my elements from Pinterest, or you could get them in Google, go to Etsy, but there's different places that you could just search SpongeBob. We also have this nutritional facts that I use. I just copy and paste, and this barcode right here. So let's go ahead and start with our other elements, and I'm going to show you. I usually start with my chip bag because I have everything that I need right here, and I just copy and paste. I usually like putting this frame, just so I could put everything right here, most of my things right here. This is going to be the front of the chip bag. So I copy my frame, I copy it, and then I just paste it to my next page right here. Then I get my, or you can start with your background. I copy my background, and I paste it right here in my other page. Then I go ahead and set image as a background. You could double click, and then you could choose what you want from this background. You could use this because it doesn't all fit. So just move it around, see what you like best. Also, this one, I'm going to go ahead and do a transparency on this one. I'm going to go ahead and do an 80 transparency right here. And this is how it's going to be. I'm going to go ahead and change my font. I'm going to go ahead and use the SpongeBob font I have. This one right here. And then I'm going to change the color to blue. Actually, it's to this yellow, I believe. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a outline. And the outline is going to be blue. So it says welcome to. And then we just copy and paste. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put Nathan, copy this. The name, copy, and paste it. And I'm going to put Nathaniel's. Let me go ahead and extend this. Adjust the size. If you want to use another font, go ahead. Birthday, right there. Let me go ahead and space it right here. And this, I could leave it here at the bottom or right here. And then I could bring my images that I want. I'm going to go ahead and bring this one and paste it right here. And that's how I just bring my elements right here. Now I could also bring, I'm going to go ahead and bring the jellyfish and then just scatter it around right here. Just put one right here, copy it, duplicate it. Another one right here, make it smaller, duplicate it, make it smaller. This one right here. Let me go ahead, this one facing this way. Duplicate it again. And just like that, this is our welcome sign. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do our invitation. We're going to go ahead and get our background, copy it, paste it. We're going to go ahead and set image to the back. We're going to go ahead and click it right here, double click it, and change our background. I want to use this one for this. So here it says join us to celebrate. You could go ahead and change the font size. I mean the font right here. And we said we're going to use this yellow. And we're going to go ahead and do a outline. Our outline color, we're going to change it right here. And make this a little bit bigger. And let's go ahead and center it. Okay, it's centered right here. And it says join us to celebrate. So we're going to go ahead and copy Nathaniel's birthday. Copy, then paste right here. Adjust our size. And center it. Right here. And then you could just put some SpongeBob elements. So I'm going to go ahead and put this SpongeBob right here. Right here. I have a Patrick that I could put over here. Make them fit right here. I have a Sally, and we're going to go ahead and put her over here. Or we could put her over here as well. No, over here. And let's see, we could, I'm actually going to take these out. Let me go ahead and get another image. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. I'm going to remove the background. I already have this one. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the size. Let's go ahead and make sure it's centered. Okay. So I'm going to put that there, and then let me go ahead and get some jellyfish. And I'm going to paste that right here. And then I'm also going to bring Gary the snail. Okay, so here's Gary. I'm just going to put him down here. Right there. So we have our image right here of the friends. We have our jellyfish and our Gary. It's coming out really nice. So now we're going to go ahead, copy, and we're going to go ahead and paste this in the back. And then so this is, we're going to go ahead and change the text font, the color of it, our outline. We're going to go ahead and make it blue right there. We're going to put this a little bit up here. So thank you for celebrating. And then we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this right here. Bring this up right here. And then we bring our images again here. Let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and use this one and paste it. Or let's see. Let me see which ones of these. Copy and paste it. You could put this one right here, but then we're going to have all this space up here. So I'm just going to use this one. And then we can put them up right here. Center it. Let's go ahead and center it right here. And again, you could go ahead. Let me go ahead and get these bubbles. I'm going to go ahead and use these. Copy and paste it right here. Move them up over here. Let me go ahead and do this. I'm going to center this right here. Okay, and there it is. And so let's go ahead and bring some of our jellyfish and then paste it right here. And let's do another one on this side right there. So everything is going to be mixed. The same. You just, the theme is all the same. The background, you change it a little bit. You add a few of the elements. Let's go ahead and let's copy our background. Copy, and then let's go ahead and do it right here. Paste it. And there it is. Let's go ahead and change our font right here. Let's go ahead and change our colors. Actually, there's a space over here, right here, where it says down here, change all. That changes all your fonts, all the same size. So you don't have to change it all the time. I would usually do that at the beginning, but I'm already towards the end, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that. But so you don't have to change it every time. It all changes at once. I'll show you in another, when we're doing another one. So in the meantime, let's just go ahead and do our effect. Let's go ahead and go to outline, add our blue outline. Now let's go ahead and bring our name. Thank you for celebrating Pace Nathaniel's birthday. Let's go ahead and give it some transparency right there. And let's go ahead and bring our copy and paste it right here. And like if you want, you could copy this, the jellyfish, paste them right here, just to fill out this empty space right here. And there we go. And there's our round circle stick art label. We have 2 more to go. So we're just going to go ahead and paste our background. For this one, we're going to be using this frame right here, this style frame. Let me see the transparency. We're going to go ahead and do an 80 transparency right there. This one, we can move it up. Let's see how that looks like that. Or we can move it a little bit, or if we just want it like this, I'm going to leave it like that. So here we're going to go ahead and put happy. We're going to use this one. We're going to use happy birthday Nathaniel. Copy and paste it. We're going to go ahead and put this one here. Let's see if this one, we're going to go ahead and make this one wider. Right here, happy birthday. Center it, and then Nathaniel's going to go down here. We're going to center the name. And let's bring this one here. Let's go ahead and bring our element right here. Let's see. Well, we could put SpongeBob. There we go. Let's do that. We're going to go ahead and align these. Make sure they're aligned. Okay, perfect. And let's do Sandy right here. Let's go ahead and bring our Gary. And let's paste them right here. Right there. And let's not forget our jelly. Copy and paste it. Right there. I want to go ahead and bring my logo, this one. Copy and paste it. And then we can put it up here over the, right here. And there it is. We could also bring our pineapple, copy and paste it. And we can set it up right here. And there it is. This is our water bottle label. Now we're going to go ahead and put our background on our, this is going to be our gable box. Let me go ahead and change the transparency. Let me go ahead and do this one again. How about if I, okay, no, I'm going to leave it like that. Copy and then paste it. Let me go ahead and change this one and put it like this. And then let's go ahead and do Nathaniel right here. Nathaniel. And let's go ahead and space it right there. And let's go ahead and adjust our size right here. Bring our SpongeBob right here. Let's go ahead and do Patrick this time. And let's go ahead and flip him this way. And let's put them about right here. And this is our Gable box party favor box. And this is how I create, oops, sorry. This is how I create my party sticker labels, my water bottle label, my round circle label. This is my juice pouch label. This is an invitation, which you could do digitally also, set it out digitally or print it out. This is our welcome sign that you will put on your welcome table, on your gift area table. Uh, and then this is our chip bag wrapper. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, please go ahead, give me a like, leave me a comment, and we'll see you guys in our next video. And if you are interested in purchasing this bundle, go ahead and check out our shop.